Two Tuscaloosa siblings are taking a stand to educate our community about a disease that affects them and 100,000 other Americans. WVUA 23's Chelsea Barton tells us more. Chelsea?
Lynn, at 23 and 19 years old, Jori and Jarren Smith have launched the Sick of It Foundation. What are they sick of? People remaining uneducated about sickle cell disease.
Sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disease. It comes from one parent having the sickle cell trait and another. And when they come together, they make a child, and that child has a certain % chance of having that disease.
Jori Smith and her younger brother Jarren both have sickle cell disease.
So growing up, both my brother and I were very kind of ashamed. It causes lots of pain, lots of fatigue. You can't really be in extreme temperatures. There are lots of limitations with this disease.
That prompted them to start the Sick of It Foundation.
Our main goal is to advocate for the fight against sickle cell disease and educate others about it, as well as raise funds for sickle cell research to find a cure and to support sickle cell patients with quality health care while they have the disease.
The Smiths say education is key.
Take the time out to get tested, because not a lot of people know that they have the disease, and they could meet someone and have a child with someone who also has the trait, and that could be detrimental. And we really want to kind of put a stop to it until we find a cure. We are really about educating and making children who have sickle cell not feel alone.
Another goal of the Sick of It Foundation is to create a conversation.
I really want people to understand that this is a very serious issue. It is the most common inherited blood disorder among African Americans, but it's the least talked about. So we have a lot of work to do, and we would really love everyone's help. Whoever wants to help out, we welcome you with open arms.
Two young people with big plans to make a difference.
It's definitely brought us closer. He's always been like my little baby. He hates that, but yeah, it's definitely brought us closer, and we're both very excited about this new journey and what it means for not only us and our bond, but how it can bring the sickle cell community closer as a whole. So we're very, very excited.
And if you'd like to learn more about the Sick of It Foundation, you can visit their website, imsickofit.org. Live tonight, I'm Chelsea Barton, WVUA 23 News.